market opens tonight, and Euro AUD is one of the pairs we'll be looking at to trade tonight. If you look at it very well on the weekly time frame, and I already had my analysis, a very clear and sweet structure has formed here, ready to take the market to the upside. And if you look at it very well, market has already done whatsoever I wanted to do, and it's ready to push to the upside. So what we are going to do now is to go to lower time frame and look for possible entries, right? Possible long entries to push market to the upside. So if you look at this structure, you see too that it's going to be a very, very long buy, because we are on the weekly time frame. And going to lower time frames like daily and 4 hour, you see to it that before market reaches that upside, that break of structure is going to take a long time. So we'll just go into the market, get whatever we can at the moment, and go out. If we spot other opportunities later, we'll still go in and take little. Greed is not part of the game, right? So let's hop into it. So coming down to, already market is on the demand zone. So coming down to daily time frame, you will see to that it's already making move towards the upside, right? But then the structure on lower time frame is not really clear enough. So we go down to 4 hour time frame. So on 4 hour time frame, you see to that it's already making series of structures to the upside, like from here market created a higher high, came down to tap on this demand zone, created another higher high, came down to tap on this demand zone here. There's a demand zone here if you expand it, and then it's now going to the upside. So what we're expecting market to do is come down again, tap on this demand zone that is here, and then move to the upside, right? So if you expand this chart, this is the demand zone I was talking about here. Market actually respected the order flow in entry. I'm sure you guys already know what I'm talking about. So if you want to mark it based on order flow demand, you cover that wick that is up there and boom, market tapped in and then move to the upside. So moving forward, we had a break of structure here. Mind you, all the requirements were met. We had external liquidity sweep. This external liquidity sweep, and then change of character to the upside here. Then we had internal liquidity, something like this, and then we had an imbalance. A fair value gap as well here, and then demand zone, right? So this is a value structure. So moving forward, market broke the previous structure, came down to this point here, collected this liquidity that was ranging here, tap on this demand zone here. But because we're on the 4 hour time frame, the demand zone is not actually clear. So I'll use my Fibonacci tool to spot out the demand zone. I'm very sure this all this is not new to you guys. If there is anything you guys are confused about, you comment it below and I'll make videos explaining it better. So here you get a perfect entry, right? So moving forward, market broke structure again, and having series of uptrend structures, you will see to it that market is consistently moving to the upside. So whichever analysis, whichever trade you're going to take, make sure you are looking for buy positions. But if you are a day trader, you can go to lower time frame and spot those little opportunities to look for sell trades. But I mostly swing. So fast forward to this point, market broke structure again, That's break of structure. Here we have our inducement here, though it's kind of far from the demand zone, but I mean market is still far away from the demand zone, so I don't know if it's still going to move to the upside or it's going to come down from where it is. But looking at this current candle, the previous bearish candle, it's closed with momentum. That shows that market is trying to push down to the downside. So let's mark our demand zone here. Our demand zone is this small order block that is here, right? So if market from here comes down to this point, we are buying. But then in most cases, market will not respect this order block, but it will respect the order flow order block. That means that previous bearish movement before the upside move. I mean, I only marked half of the order flow, but yeah, this one is okay because the bearish candle closed with momentum. So yeah, it's a good one. Yeah. So if market comes here, if you have a very big account and you're ready to risk it, you can enter with risk entry. That means from here down to this place. But if you have a very small account and you're not ready to risk it, if market enters this order flow order block, you wait for change of character before pushing to the upside, and boom, we have our clear trade here. So this is what we are looking at. We are expecting Euro AUD to give us in the market here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment your thoughts below.